Hi everyone, my name is Sharon Bond. I'm with Dame Mas Dance, and in today's Bachata tutorial video, we will be discussing some variations of the in-place basic. So as I mentioned earlier, this Bachata tutorial video will be on variations of the in-place basic. So we'll be talking about two different variations. And so just to review the in-place basic, I will do it on the lead timing, so the mirror image, since I'm facing the camera. So the in-place basic is doing the bachata steps on the spot. So 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So you can move your hips like this, or you can add a figure 8 motion. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first variation that we're going to do involves a little kick. And so the kicks will be happening on the ands, so on the counts in between the main beats. So you would start off with a kick and 1, then and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So let me break that down a little bit. So the kicks happen on the ands, and as I step, I come down. So there's a change in height as you step. So your knees are going to bend a little bit more on the steps. And the other thing you notice is that the shoulders are moving forward and back during the stepping. So the shoulders will move with the change in weight. So when you start on and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So you see my shoulders didn't move here, and they're forward with the leg that has the weight. And then and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other thing, you can add a little bit more hip rotation as you do the little kicks. So and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So let me do it from a different angle. So I'm going to turn this way. So now, actually, I'm going to turn this way. So now this is my left. And so we're going to start with the kick, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Add a little more hips. Now if I turn this way, now this is my left, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay? So with the follow timing, the moves are exactly the same, but the follow is stepping on the right on 1. So and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And a little faster. Okay, now from this angle, so this is my right, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Then from here, facing front, now this is my right for the mirror image, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. We'll go a little slower. All right, so that's that variation. Now the other variation is a variation of the variation. So we're adding a triple step. So starting with the lead timing. So this is my left, and 1, and 2, and triple step. So there's a little kick before you do the triple step. And then you switch to the other side. And 5 and 6 and triple step. And 1 and 2 and triple step. Triple step. Now you notice that with the triple step, my shoulders stayed in the same direction. Because even though you're changing your weight, you're doing it so quickly that you don't move your shoulders. So imagine 1, 2, triple step. Triple step. That looks ridiculous, right? So we keep our shoulders in the same direction with the triple steps. So 1, 2, they're here, leave them. 5, 6, they're here, leave them, right? So let's turn this way. This is my left leg. 1, 2, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. Now this direction, left leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can add a little more hips. Now starting with the follow timing, so starting with my right. 1, 2, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. This direction. 5, 6, here we go, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now this is my right for mirror image, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So those are the two variations. When you're dancing in couple, you would do it in open position because of the kicking, and each partner does not have to necessarily be doing the same variation of in-place basic, but if the lead's doing a type of in-place basic, the follow needs to be doing a type of in-place basic, but it doesn't necessarily have to be the same. So let's put all those moves to music. So I hope you enjoyed that Bachata tutorial on variations of the in-place basic. For more information on the classes that we offer, please visit our website at damimasdance.ca, and please check us out on Facebook at Damimas Dance Studio and on Instagram at Damimas Dance. Thanks for watching.